there. I think it'll work. Whoa. I was going to try to ride it.
Okay, high five.
All right, here we go. Whoa. Good. You're free. Let's go get the other one.
We got that limit around there. There's another one too. It's so stuck.
Okay, go ahead. Good.
Actually sliding downhill right now. Seriously. This is what we've done to ourselves by positioning the mill where we did.
So when we're bringing these logs up here, oftentimes they're angled and then they won't roll up onto the chalk. So what we've been doing is just throwing a chunk of wood on the close end, and then using the peavey, we can just kind of, it'll just kind of roll and it cants it around a bit. Ow, I just ran over my foot twice. Until we're straight or parallel with the rails, of the mill rails. What's this one? This must be a 12? There we go.
I'm gonna say 12. Are we too close to the... Nah, we'll be fine, right?
Looks good.
Okay. The log might be a little too far uphill for our blade, but I think we'll be all right.
Sometimes it finds right where that extension bolts on. Man, that is absolutely almost perfect. Pull it back a little bit. I mean, I'm just moving the tiniest bit. Try that. Big buzzer. One more. Let's see that. Okay, I'm 2 inches high. It looks great. Let's go back, check your end.
To me, it looks like it's going to give us a good 4x6. plus a little bit.
Okay, coming down 3.5.
3.5, and let the line show, so a little heavy.
So this was our biggest log, and we've gotten a lot of lumber out of this one, so we're going to go for a 4x8 here. Eric's setting it up. 4x8, Eric.
7 1/4.
7 1/4.
This side we want the 7 1/4 on.
That's right.
We give it a little extra. Right there. Strong. All right.
This one's going to be heavy. 4x8. Oh, green 4x8. So can you explain what you're doing with this last little bit?
So we're just going to remove it, give us a nice flat surface for the next set of beams we're going to cut. So we're going to slide it over just enough to take it all off.
Three and a half.
Okay, we've come to the end of this particular
Can you
length.
explain it in Swedish for our Swedish friends?
Det kan man göra, men lite svårt för mig. Så har det varit 25 år sedan jag bodde i Sverige. Lite svårt.
Tita, lila hund.
Where?
There's a purple dog over there. All right, so Eric, we're going to try to get 2x out of here, and we've maxed out. We can't get the carriage any lower, and that's basically it. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut some firewood out of this. And you've got the little Husqvarna. Now, there's some controversy on how you pronounce. Americans say Husqvarna.
Or
Mrs. W says Husqvarna.
Husqvarna.
How would you say it?
I say Husqvarna.
You know what it means?
House something.
Mill house.
Really?
Mill house. That's what I've been told.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I think so.
Anyway, the little 540. I like it.
Yeah, it is an awesome saw.
It saved my arm.
We just completed all the cutting. How many trees did we take down, Eric? Was it 3?
3.
3 trees, and we ended up with, well, a lot of wood here. We've got 4x4s, 4x6s, 4x8s, 2x4s, 2x6s, 2x8s. Was that basically it?
Yeah,
looks
little stuff on top.
some 1x and different things. So that is a pretty good load. It's green and it's heavy. I could feel that coming out of here. I might have to put it in 4-wheel drive just to get up the driveway. All right, there we go. We've got our work cut out for us unloading that. I like Eric's idea. Maybe just let it cure on the trailer for a few months.